So in this video, I'm going to show you how fast it is to make the best latte macchiato by simply putting milk in this milk frothing container and taking a Nespresso original line espresso pod and putting it inside of the Lattissima Pro and getting the best tasting, fastest latte macchiato that you're ever going to see. By the way, I honestly can't take it. It's really that good. Milk mustache. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to show you how easy and fast it is to make a latte macchiato right here with this Lattissima Pro. First thing we're going to do is put a little bit of caramel syrup right here. And I'm using this glass so that you could see everything in action. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the milk frother top off, and then I'm going to just add some whole milk. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the frother top back on, like so. That's step one. And as you can see, I've already got the Lattissima Pro turned on. I'm going to go ahead and insert the milk frother in. And as you can see, it is currently heating it up. And then I'm going to put the coffee cup here and make sure that the steamed milk will go right in. Now I'm going to take my original line Nespresso pod and I'm going to put it inside. I'm going to close it. And now I'm going to select how much froth I want. And I'm going to put it all the way over here because I want the most amount of froth possible. I'm going to push this button right here, which is going to be for the latte macchiato. And as you can see, we've got plenty of water over here. And then now it is starting to come on. Now what it's doing the first step of the latte macchiato, which is doing steamed milk into the glass coffee mug. Now as it's doing the steamed milk, it's already starting to froth, as you can see. Now the second step is going to be the espresso that's going to come directly over here. And as you can see, the espresso is finished, and we got this line right here. Look at this, right there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and release the Nespresso pod. It's going to fall to the bottom of the dispenser. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull latte macchiato out, put a new coffee mug in, and I'm going to select to the clean position. Now it's simply going to flush the system out. That way it's ready for the next time that we're going to use it. And as you can see, this digital readout is already telling me what I need to do. I need to put it on the regular knob right here. And then what I could do, I can take it out and then I can go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for the next time. All right, so take a look at this latte macchiato. I want you to look at how much froth we have. And then the espresso is on the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is put some sugar in here. Then I'm simply going to give it just a really short stir like this. Now is my favorite part, which is the caramel drizzle that we put on top. And look at that. So I have to say, I've had this Lattissima Pro Nespresso machine for years. I have never once had a problem with this. Absolutely amazing. Now this is a beautiful thing. Now I have to say the number one reason that I got this was very simple. I wanted to be able to make the fastest possible latte and cappuccino without having to go through 500 different steps and having to, wash different equipment after every use. What I could do is I simply make my latte or my cappuccino, take this milk frother container, put it back in the fridge. The next morning, take it out, and I get to make another one. So I can definitely say, after using this over and over for years, I definitely highly recommend this.